Good morning, boys and girls. I am so excited to see you today. I wanted to record a video for you to help remind you how we log into our Reading Eggs account. Now, I know that this can be kind of tricky, especially when I'm not standing right there to help you. So, I wanted you to have this so you can always remember. You need two things to get through this video. First, you need your computer up and ready, and it should look like your screen like this. The second thing you need is your login card for Reading Eggs. If you don't have these two things, please go get them now. Pause the video and push play when you're back and ready. All right, so if you have your computer up like this and your login card, we're good to go. On your computer in the very middle, we see that white square with the little colorful squares inside of it. Remember, that's our Reading Eggs login. We're going to click on that. Remember, we have to double click it so it opens. When you get to this screen, we're going to go way up at the top along that blue bar, and I see all those rectangles. I'm going to come over to the right side and find the blue rectangle with the lock sign in it. You only have to click that one time. When you get here, your boxes will be empty, and they will look like this. Now we need our login cards. Everyone should see their name at the very top, okay? Underneath that rectangle with your name in it, the login starts with an uppercase L, okay? When I look on my screen, I see it here too. I'm going to click in that box. I'm going to look on my card. After the two dots, I'm going to type in everything that's after the two dots. So Clara's first letter is a C. She's going to look on her keyboard, find a C. Her next one is an N. Find the N. Then there's an E, an M, another E, and then two numbers, 3, 3. So I go up to my numbers up top or to the side and type in 3, 3. Okay? After I have all of those numbers and letters typed in, then I'm going to click down in my next white box. If I look right above it, there's an uppercase P. It looks familiar. There's an uppercase P on my login card. I'm going to find the two dots and type in everything after those two dots again. So my first letter is a P. My second letter is a U. My next letter is a P. And my last letter is an S. Now when I'm typing on my keyboard, I'm very careful that I'm only clicking it one time. If I hit too many, remember we always have our backspace button on our keyboard, or the one that we call the eraser. After you have both of our white rectangles filled in, come down to the yellow and orange rectangle and click it one time. If you get to this screen, it means you're in. Remember, we can do Reading Eggs in the blue or Math Seeds in the green. You guys are so smart. I can't wait to see how much fun you have in this and how much you learn. We'll see you soon.